Dear student, class 5 English version, rest of the lecture here. The three, the other 3 hours were well given to those who showed courage and sacrifice in the war. Actually, the I previous lecture I already told you the 7 people who sacrificed great sacrifice their life face to face, and the nation and the country's people gave them the highest award, Bisheshto. The other 3 awards were all given to those who showed courage and sacrifice, Bir Uttam, Bir Bikram, and Bir Pratik. Bir Pratik, Taramon Bibi and Takun Bibi, both are achieved the Bir Pratik through their courage and their bravery activity. Through the sacrifice of all the freedom fighters, our country has gained its independence. Look, role play in group. You are making an award to the families of the seven Bisheshto freedom fighters. Make the speech thanking the family for the sacrifice on behalf of their country. Look, let's make a speech thanking the families for their sacrifice on behalf of the country. Be right. Write out your speech from the role play activity. Respected everyone present here, I start my speech by offering my respect and honor to you all. Today we are the proud citizen of an independent Bangladesh. We had achieved our freedom at the cost of thousands of lives of our fellow citizens, family members, and friends. As a citizen of an independent nation, I pay my respect to you all, those relatives and near ones of your who fought with bravery in the liberation war and who sacrificed their lives for their land. The nation honors them and has entitled them as Bisheshto. As the families of Bisheshto, we are proud to have you here. Maybe it was due to your inspiration that they sacrificed bravely for this country. With due respect to everyone present here, I am going to end my speech here. Number C. Extend. This is the Liberation War Museum in Dhaka, Segun Bagicha. What would you expect to find there? Design a monument to commemorate the 50th or golden anniversary of the War of Liberation, right, and inscription to go on the monument. Look, in the Liberation War Museum located in Dhaka, Segun Bagicha, there are materials used by the freedom fighters alongside the war-related documents, arms, and ammunition used by the freedom fighters during the war. Let's design a monument to commemorate the golden anniversary of the War of Liberation. Some inscription to go on the document. We will never forget the martyr. Martyrs never die. You are the heroes of our country. Look, match the correct answer. Chief of Mukti Bahini. It will be General Osmani. Bengali collaborators supporting Pakistan. It will be Rajakar. Number C, highest national award given in war. It will be Bisheshto. Last one, Chief of Joint Force. it will be Lieutenant General Arora. So read it more, and if fall in any problem, please contact with me.